Yo, what's up? This your boy, Chicago Trucker Life for Life, and today I'm gonna be working on this 2003 uh, Chevy-Cavalier. I'm gonna be installing the fucking the horns, the car horns. So I got all my stuff out. So I gotta take off this, all this panel right here. I'm gonna take out this whole panel, not the light, because the air horn is in this panel right here. So I got all my tools and yeah, so I'm gonna get down to this. All right, let's see what happens. Two more to go. There we go, right there. Yeah, these are the same ones, you know. So there's the old one right there. If you guys can see it, it's just that right there. There it is. Here's the other ones. So I got two just in case one doesn't work. So I got two of these bad boys. Ahora voy a sacar esa madre. I'm gonna see I got if this 10 mil works. Ahí está, perfect. Oh, it's a 1/4 inch. I don't think it's yeah, I'm gonna have to bend that motherfucker to the side. So you can see, you gotta take this plug off, the electrical wiring. So just, I don't know if you guys can see that shit. There you go. See that, how I disconnected? All right. I bent this a little bit more. Just a little bit, DW40. Ahí está. Here's the old one right here. I don't know why the fuck. It just wear and tear. Motherfucker stopped working. So this one doesn't have the nut. So I'll take it off from the original. Put it on this one. I'm gonna see if this one works. So I'm not gonna install it. I'm just gonna connect it and see that bad boy works. If it works, pues ya me rayé. Okay. So I didn't mount it to the bracket. I just left it right there, and I'm gonna see if that shit works. Nada. You know what? Let me turn on the car. That's probably what it is. Nope. That's what you get for getting shit at the salvage yard. Alright, so I'm gonna disconnect that. Maybe it's not this and it's something electrical. So here's the other one, the spare, because I grabbed two. A ver cómo me va. So it goes like this. See how it's clipped on? I'm gonna leave it right there. A ver qué pedo. Oh, got it. That motherfucker too loud. All right, so that motherfucker work. So I'm gonna take out that nut, mount it onto the bracket, and then put the motherfucking nut. My nuts. It's done. Now I just gotta tighten it up. What the fuck? Ahí está. There it is. There it is. That's fine like that. And put this motherfucker back. Otro acá. Ahí está. Mira, gangster. Put está. What the fuck? Ahí está. So this has to be tucked in here. Here's one of the holes. There's another one. Aquí está otra. Here, nice and tucked in. Ahí está. That's it. What the fuck? That had nothing to do with it. Oh, let me do this. There you go. That motherfucker came out good too. Kinda. Ahí está, last one. Esto no va a agarrar nada. Look, it's just sitting there. I'm not even gonna worry about it. So, that's the plastic to that. So it works fine now. So let's test it one more time before I take off. 2003 Chevy-Cavalier. Watch out. Ahí está. All right. So I got this out the salvage yard. Again, como te digo, it's a 2003. It's not, you know, a 2021. But these two don't work. Yeah. Oh no, this is the original one. Yeah, this is the original one. This is the one I got off from the salvage yard. That one too. But you know, that's what you get for, well, it's salvage yard shit, so fuck it, you know. All right. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe. And horn replacement, it only has one on this side, that's it. So don't think it has another one on that side, it's just one. 2003 Chevy Cavalier. All right, thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you.